अब see first question. The first question is 2 sin A cos A minus cos A minus 2 sin A plus 1 is equal to 0. So what we have to say, what is common here and common here. So in this both of them it is cos A common. So what is left in the bracket? 2 sin A minus 1. Similarly, in both of these nothing is common, so we would take minus 1 common. So it would be 2 sin A minus 1 is equal to 0. So in both of these now the common is 2 sin A minus 1 and cos A minus 1 is equal to 0. So now we got the two terms. So what we can say? We can say that 2 sin A minus 1 is equal to 0, or 2 sin A is equal to 1, or sin A is equal to 1 by 2. So for which of the trigonometric angle the angle is half, we have to see that. So we need to see that this is sine, okay, and this is half. For which of the value the sine is half? So sine 30, 0, 1 by 2, 2 by 1 by 4. So sine 30 degree is equal to half. Mean here sine A is equal to sine 30 degree. Okay, and regarding the cos 1, we would do here cos A minus 1 is equal to 0, cos A is equal to 1, and for which value of angle is 1 cos. So cos A is equal to 0, or here we can write A is equal to 30 degree, and similarly here A is equal to 0 degree. Okay, we are right in between. Cos 0 degree is equal to 0. Sorry, 1 1. Okay, one question done. Similarly, go for the second. See, tan A minus 2 cos A, tan A plus 2 cos A minus 1 is equal to 0. Again see the common in these two and these two. So here the common is tan. So tan A bracket 1 minus 2 cos A, and here the nothing is common, so we take 1 common. Okay, cos A 2 cos A minus 1 is equal to 0. See this, here it is common 1 minus 2 and it is opposite. So what we would do? We would take minus 1 from here. Okay, so tan A 1 minus 2 cos A minus 1, so that this become the as first term 1 minus 2 cos A is equal to 0. Now as we have done earlier, in the same way you have to do. Okay, 1 minus 2 cos A is equal, I am writing directly. Okay, let's do it proper way. 1 minus 2 cos A and tan A minus 1. So 1 minus 2 cos A is equal to 0, or 2 cos A is equal to 1, cos A is equal to half. Cos A is equal to half. So for which value it is half? So cos 60 degree is equal to half. So A is equal to 60 degree. Similarly, we will do for this one. Now what is left? Tan A is minus 1 is equal to 0. Tan A is equal to 1. And for which value? Tan A is 1. It is 45 degree. So tan 45 degree is equal to 1. So A is equal to 45 degree. Clear? Now third one. So third one question is, let me do one thing. Delete. Okay, and now third question here. So the question is 2 cos square A minus 3 cos A plus 1 is equal to 0. See this, here it is also cos square A and here it is 3 cos A. So and it is 2 here. So what we can take common? We can take a 1 cos common. Okay. So we can write this as 2 cos square A minus cos A minus 2 cos A plus 1. Why we have? Because it is cos square A. So we take 1. That's why we have splitted this into 2. So what is common here and common here? Cos A. What is left? 2 cos A minus 1, and here nothing is common. So this 2 cos A minus 1. So forget it. Okay, similarly here 2 cos A minus 1 and cos A minus 1. So 2 cos A minus 1 is equal to 0. 2 cos A is equal to 1. Cos A is equal to 1 by 2, and it is 60 degree. Okay, cos 60 degree is equal to half, or A is equal to 60 degree. Similarly here cos A, cos cos A is equal to 1, or for which value is it is 1? 0 degree. So cos 0 degree is equal to 1, mean A is equal to 0 degree. Clear? Now again delete. Oh no, question also deleted. Okay, now the last question. So 2 tan 3a cos 3a cos 3a minus tan 3a plus 1 is equal to 2 cos 3a. Okay, we will move all on same side, so we can write this as 2 tan 3a cos 3a minus tan 3a plus 1 minus 2 cos 3a. If is equal to 0. We can move 1 also on that side. Okay, now we are rearranging this. Okay, say this is tan 3a, this is tan 3a, and this. Okay, done. We would take common here and here. Okay, see this, what is common here? Tan 3a. Okay, taken tan 3a. What is left? 2 cos 3a minus 1, and what is left here? Plus 1 common. So 1 minus 2 cos 3a is equal to 0. But again, one thing, say this, here it is 2 cos 3a minus 1 and it is 1 minus, so to get the same we would take out minus 1. Tan 3a 2 cos 3a minus 1 2 cos 3a minus 1. So 2 cos 3a minus 1 and tan 3a minus 1. So 2 cos 3a is equal to 1, or cos 3a is equal to 1 by 2, and it is 30 degree. Okay, so half. So 3a sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2 cos 60. Cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2. But here the question is that 3a is equal to 60 degree. 3a is equal to 60 degree. A is equal to 60 by 3, mean A is equal to 20 degree. Done. Similarly here, what is tan 3a is equal to 1 and 1 is 45 degree. So tan 45 degree is equal to 1. So 3a is equal to 45 degree, A is equal to 45 by 3, 15 degree.